Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're shooting inside and we're shooting a 2018 Kia Sportage SX-T with turbo. Car of course comes with roof rail, sunroof, panoramic sunroof, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, signal repeaters, ice cube fog lights, and a whole bunch of other features. Car also, you notice that big black square or rectangle in the center of the grille, that's smart cruise control. Car has every option imaginable, done up in a beautiful shade of red. So we get on the driver's side. And we're going to take a look inside. Now, as I mentioned, the car is inside, so we're not going to run the car today. But we do have power windows, locks, and mirrors, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure, traction control, and a button to open the power door in the back. We do have dash lights on because the car is not running, but I do have the ignition on so you can see the kilometers. It only has 56 kilometers. And of course we have Sirius XM. There's a free 3-month trial. Car has backup camera. And we also have navigation, but the chip is not installed currently. Down below, we have all the radio controls, push button start, dual climate control, and cooled seats in the front, heated seats in the front, heated steering wheel, and down below that, auxiliary USB input ports, a couple of 12-volt charging ports. Down below, the automatic transmission. Also, that engine's a 2-liter with a turbo. We have a drive mode select, a lock for the all-wheel drive, a downhill assist, an auto hold assist, the parking brake, and the rear parking sensors. Steering wheel, of course, has cruise and audio controls as well as other buttons for the car. The car has gorgeous leather interior. Front driver's seat is powered. We're going to take a quick look up here. There's a panoramic sunroof up above you. Going a little bit further down the car. In the rear, luxury, total luxury. We have heated leather seats in the rear for your passengers. Those rear seats are also a 60-40 split, so they will fold down. And going to the back of the car, shot of that SX turbo badge with gas direct injected fuel system. Power door in the back, just push the button, up she goes. Plenty of room to carry anything you need to carry, from groceries to outdoor gear to sports equipment to anything else you need. And again, those seats do fold down, so you can carry even more stuff. A shot of that power button in the back door. You simply push that button and the door comes down. Just going to take a walk down the passenger side. Again, we have the rear heated seats. Bonus feature, the passenger seat is power. It has the proximity key sensor in the door, so you get close and the doors will all unlock for you. So this absolutely gorgeous 2018 Kia Sportage SX-T is available at West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 on Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 on Sundays and most holidays. Come on down and see us. Bring the family down. See how well the family fits in the Sportage and see how well the Sportage fits into your family. Again, West Coast Kia.